Hello everyone, Simon here from creativetrading.system.com. This is small video is about gold. So let's get started. I'm not gonna go too far back. This is the chart. This is a 4 hour chart, and it is dated back 17 December, right? I made the charts saying that this is my wave count. Wave blue count one, two, and then wave three was underway, and wave three had sub waves one, two, three, four, and I was expecting that it will go up for wave five one more time, finishing wave three, and then we will fall for wave four. So that's exactly what happened. It started to happen, and then this one started to go, and then even went a lot more than I was expected, right? We went there, and then again sideways, and then one more push to the upside. But it was exactly perfectly counted wave three. One, two, and then wave three is usually 61%, which you can see is very clearly that it reaches to 1.618 area or 161% and extension of 127 of this, right? Then I said that it's going to drop for wave four. So it did. And going down, this is the trade it gave me, my system. Right, and you can see here sell orders right there, and I moved the sell break even after it's coming down here, and then look, 1500 pip. Why I hold the trade for that much? Because if you look at my trade, this thing that I was targeting wave for wave for this rising blue teal first, and then the next teal is the outer teal, the black one. So the first teal was the blue teal, and look, this is exactly what happened. So it just went up a little bit, and then boom, it came down. So it was coming down, and I knew that it is gonna go for this wave, this the rising teal of this the blue line, right? So it came down, and that's where I closed my trade for. That's 1500 pip. Then I made the chart that's gonna go to the upside, and that was chart here, right? So it started go to the upside. I was expecting that it will go into this area, and then it gave me a little move to the upside. That's a higher time frame chart, and that's 470 pip this entry to this. But then again, it dropped. And then this is that's the one trade, and this is from 200 box size chart, and you can see the entry is here, and then 520 pip that as well, going to the upside a little bit, right? And after that, it went there all the way, and then creating this thing, right? So you got to pay attention to the what kind of patterns or different shape that it makes based on the Fibonacci calculation. So this was one of my chart that it says bearish butterfly, Bibu. And that's what I said that, okay, if this is what it is exactly, you can see the calculation is 78% and 38 or 23%. So this was 38% exactly the bounce right from there all the way to 127%, which is right there, right? So 127 to 161. So usually 80% of the time the price makes the turn from 127. So I said that if we start to drop from here, then maybe we'll come back down to this low here, right? Around this. Usually that is the target. And that's exactly what happened. And then you can see here, my entry was right there all the way down. And look what happened. This, the entry right there. See that cell? And then all the way down there. 580 pip. This is how easy the system is if you learn and you follow the instructions that you can do the same thing. Rinse, repeat, no problem. Right? So this is so far last week, this is what happened. Now, what's happening now, if we go back here, look at this one, right? So we drop here, we went up, drop, then went up, drop. What kind of shape we are making here for our chart? On a daily chart, you hardly can tell that what the heck is that, right? But wave four, you can see that this is left shoulder, this is right head, and then this is right shoulder. And now I made the chart that it start to go to the upside, and it already did, right? So very good chance that we will go back to at least maybe 60% of this, one of these lows. All right, maybe more likely this one. So let's go and take a see that now when the market opens up today, Sunday, and let's see what happened, right? But this is my take, and then again, this is a daily chart. One, two. If it is three, then we're gonna have like A, B, C, and then wave four will be finished, and then we will go to the upside. Oh, if this is wave four, maybe, and then we go to the upside for wave five. The third option is that this is the end of the story, and then this is like wave one, two, and then three, four, five to the downside. right? So we will go along with the price action, PA, and here, like I said, that this thing is starting to go to the upside in my that Renko chart is like this, right? So it started to go to the upside here. This was the pattern and it's finished already. So I'll be looking for at least maybe around 61% or 78% into this area, 43, 73, 43, 81. That would be my target if we start continue to go to the upside, right? This is the number, the 4309. We are bouncing from. We bounced from here before. This one, this one, this one. Then we came back down here again, bouncing. And let's see what happened, right? Another thing that it may go up a little bit and then drop is because of the US dollar index. This is the dollar index chart that I made earlier, that this is my wave one and then ABC2, and then we're supposed to bounce. But I think that it bounced a little bit. It went up there to 0696. But now I see that it may drop first to 78% and then go to the upside. So this drop, usually going to get weaker, and then gold is going to go up, right? A little bit. And then right here, the gold is going to go up. And then USD probably going to make the turn and then boom, go to the upside. USD is going to get strong, and then from there, maybe it's like wave one, two, and then boom, three, four, five to the downside. Gold may be coming down that way. So after going up a little bit first. All right. So you can see this rising TL. We're bouncing from here. Let's see if we can bounce and then go to the upside. I would like to see that, these are the highs that are taken out. And they are right there, right? And if that is going to happen, then I'll be looking for my long entry up until into this area, and then we will see what kind of funding we get and what happened to US dollar index, and we will take it from there. All right, so this is it for now, and hopefully, yeah, okay. I'm not saying anything right now because I may be able to make some videos, more videos, or maybe not. So I'll leave it that way right now in the open. I might not able to. So this is the one to work with right now. And let's see if I find some 40-minute setups, then I'll make another video. All right. So this is it for now, and have a great weekend. Whatever is left over, few more hours, right, for us. And happy new year, and I wish you have like the best year of your life, right? The year 2026. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later.